Hey guys, what's up? What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, which is going to be a tech review day, and I'm planning to make that every week, but I got this for Christmas. This is the hold up. The Bose Soundlink Micro. When I first got this, it has surprised and shocked me in every step of the way. I actually didn't even know this existed. I was looking at reviews by The Verge for the best speakers for 2017, and this wasn't even on the list. Yet, I think this one is definitely the best bang for dollar that you can buy for Bluetooth speakers from 2017. This is the reason why I got this speaker. I actually had this speaker. This is a JBL Flip version 1 that I bought maybe 7 years ago. Was it 7 years? I'm not even sure. But you can tell that this is really old tech. One, it still has an AC adapter. It doesn't take USB. It's not waterproof. And just a lot of shortcomings that this has from today's speaker market. I bought this because it was the loudest speaker in the whole spectrum. This was about $200 bucks, I think. This thing is $100, and there is a huge range of improvements that I've noticed that I'm beginning to love right away. One, this is made out of some type of rubberized material. I think so. It's supposed to be durable. It's supposed to be like indestructible. It also has this little flap thing on the back. Slap this backpack on. And you're supposed to be able to attach this to like handlebars or a bag or whatever, and it feels pretty secure. It's 100% waterproof. I was actually kind of worried because it has an exposed micro USB jack, but apparently there's people that just throw this into like lakes and things and it's perfectly fine. So I'm not used to that. I was never used to having exposed ports, but I guess the iPhone has an exposed lightning port, so why can't there be an exposed lightning micro USB port, right? In terms of the sound quality, this is the one thing that really surprised me. You can have all the check marks for a device, but really the only thing that matters for a speaker is the sound quality. And to my surprise, this sounds very similar to my really expensive Bose Companion 20 speakers that I attach to my laptop. Whew, those are $400 speakers. This is a $100 speaker, and this is not just as good. This is very comparable to that type of sound. The bass is strong, it comes in a small form factor, and I think this is the best travel speaker that you can buy. Let's do a sound test. I think that's what you guys are waiting for. Alright, so we're going to do a sound test. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the two different speakers that I have in front of this microphone so you can be able to tell the difference between the two different sounds. So why don't we get started? Let's play some music. Okay, so this is the JBL Flip first. Let's check this out. That was a very short song. Okay, so that was the sound test. What did you guys think? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. And I actually think the Bose sounds way better. there might be a discrepancy here because you might be hearing it through your laptop speakers or your home speakers at home, and it's best to go try out these different microphones in person because then you at least have the authentic experience. I'm not being paid to say any of this, by the way. I just think that this thing right here is a great product, and you should definitely spread the gospel because I didn't see any reviews of this online, and a lot of the big blogging websites like The Verge and a whole bunch of different things don't even mention this product. So I don't know. I fell in love with this the second I got it from one of my friends. So Bose reported that this lasts 5 hours on a single charge, and that seems to be pretty accurate from what I can tell. But otherwise, yeah, this is really, really good tech, and I definitely will bring this on all of my travels. So that's a pretty easy tech review. It's definitely something I got from someone, and it's really, really amazing. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave comments below to let me know what else you guys want me to review for tech, or what do you guys think about this speaker? What speaker do you have, and you think it's also comparable to the Bose Soundlink Micro? I like speakers at about $100 and that I can carry with me to travels all over the globe, and that is something. I don't like the bigger speakers. I need something small so I can carry. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.